All right. What's up, everybody? My name is Dr. Marcella Wilson, and welcome to day 7 of our Shopify AI challenge, where I'm going to go from setup to first sale of a Shopify store in 30 days. All right, guys, you've been hanging out with me for a whole week. Or more importantly, I should say, I've hung in there for a whole week. Woo. No, I'm kidding. It wasn't that rough. But anyway, before I get started on what I did on day 7, let me tell you some housekeeping stuff. Okay, so if you want to follow along with me as I go through this 30-day challenge, by all means, come on and join me. In the description, there's a Google Doc that you can follow along. It has links to all the videos, and I write little notes about everything I've done every day, and you can just follow along with me. So come on and join me. Also, if you want to set up your own Shopify store, you can. But I actually have a coupon. There's a link to get your Shopify store for $1 for the first 3 months. That's an incredible deal, because it's normally, like, Shopify has different pricing levels, but the lowest one is $39 a month. So if you take that deal, you'll save like over $100 for the first 3 months, right? You'll spend $3 instead of 39 times 3. All right. Also, if you've been getting value out of these videos, please like it and please subscribe to my channel. I talk all things AI, social media, e-commerce, and getting your business to explode, blow up, but I focus mainly on AI and social media. All right, now that we got that out of the way, let's talk Shopify. Okay, so you guys know I'm using AI to set up a Shopify store, like from top to bottom, like AI to pick the product, AI to write the product descriptions, AI to create the images, the whole nine. So you guys know I picked the product. I'm picking a print-on-demand mug, and that's because Chatty advised me to do that. You guys know Chatty is what I call ChatGPT. That's my nickname for ChatGPT because I talk to her so much. Chatty said, use a print-on-demand product. So I'm creating a mug, right? But I'm not going to share just yet the audience I am trying to sell this mug to. I'm going to hold on to that for a little bit because my plan is to advertise on Facebook. That's how I'm going to get sales. So what I did yesterday was I created about 10 or 15, I think it's like 15 funny sayings that Chatty generated. I created images, and that is what is going to be displayed on these mugs. So that's what I did yesterday. So day 7, what did I do? I used AI to create the product descriptions for each of these mugs. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but it took probably about an hour because, I had 15 of them. But really, an hour versus like a week is really, really good. Because I remember, I've been pretty transparent about this. I had a Shopify store in the past that I failed miserably at. And I wrote everything myself. It took me 6 months to set up that store. But I remember when it came time for product descriptions, I did all this research on SEO keywords for that product, how to write a product description. I did it took me like a week just to do all of this research to find out how to write a product description, right? The right way, using keywords, and so it can rank in Google, and what are the phrases that consumers search for when they're searching for this product? I mean, just a lot of work. And here, using ChatGPT, that's my AI tool of choice, I was able to create 15 product descriptions in an hour. So it took ChatGPT seconds to create the product description once I gave it the right prompt. Sidebar, prompting is a skill that you should be trained on how to do. I teach courses on that, but I know I'm not talking about that right now. So ChatGPT gave me a product description, and I would kind of go in and tweak things. Now, I will say that I am a big believer in not just copying and pasting from ChatGPT. I think that the more you use ChatGPT, the better you get at it, the better it's going to learn what you like and what you need, right? Especially if you're just talking to it about one thing over and over and over again, it's going to get really good. And it can anticipate what you want. But I always think you should just review the output and make little changes, little tweaks here and there, because you're not a robot, you're not a machine. So it's good to insert yourself just a little bit. So that's what I was doing. Getting the descriptions from ChatGPT and just tweaking them a little bit to add my flair and my personality into it. And that took me about an hour. And from my past experience, from my old Shopify store, an hour to do like 15 product descriptions, whew, it's a breath of fresh air. So that's what I did. So my mindset, I always talk about my mindset. I think my mindset on day 7 was kind of like, man, I got 21 days to go. Like, 3 weeks. That's a long time. And I kind of wanted to quit. Not for no particular reason. Just like 3 weeks. I got to do this every single day. Every day. So I think it was more of the daily grind, like every day, like no days off, that I was feeling kind of like, I don't know. But, I'm in it to win it. I'm here. I'm committed. I'm going to be here day 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all the way to day 30. So I made a commitment. I stand by my word. I'm a woman of my word. And we're going to see what it does. So I am excited. I do believe that I can get this Shopify store up in under 30 days, maybe in under 2 weeks. And then I'm excited to see how quickly I can get a sale. So what am I going to do for day 8? I haven't really thought about it yet. I mentioned a couple days ago that ChatGPT or Chatty gave me a checklist of things I should do before I should start focusing on creating Facebook ads. So I think I'm going to review that list and go from there. See what it says on that list. And if all that's done and if all that's complete, move on to the next. But regardless of whatever I do, I will let you know in my video tomorrow for day 8. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys. I'm short and sweet. I'm in and out, just checking in. Again, I would love for you to follow along with me. And if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I read all the comments and I answer them personally myself. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. You guys are amazing. And let's go out here and get these coins. Let's get it. Let's change our lives. Let's get that mug money. That's what I'm trying to do. Get that print on demand mug money. All right, guys. God bless. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.